Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the amazing Orgasm Cheesecake. This cake will take you past cloud 9 and out of this world. It is absolutely amazing. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Alright, I do have other cheesecake videos on my channel. Be sure to check those out as well. I do have the amazing mango NoBaked cheesecake. I'm sure you guys are going to love that. But let's jump right into this video. So here are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So I've already mixed my brownie batter to the specification of the box. You can use any brownie of your choice. I am using the swirl. I added some extra chocolate chip, and we're going to bake that. Okay, now we are going to cream our cream cheese until it is really light and smooth. Then from the Oreos, I removed the cream in the center, and now we're going to place that in the cream cheese and whisk that as well. I use about 8 Oreos. Then we're going in with some sugar and some good vanilla extract. Continue to whisk for about 2 minutes. You want it really nice and smooth. Then we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Now we're going to add some water and the packet of the swirl. We're going to add the packet into the cream cheese mixture. Guys, you don't have to use this kind of brownie batter. You can just use the regular, and just omit the packet that I used there and the water. Alright, now it is really smooth and creamy. I'm going to remove 1.5 cup. And the rest, I am going to add some crushed Oreos. Fold that in really nice. Then after the brownie is done, we are going to pour this mixture right over the top. And the remaining half, which is plain, we are going to add that as well right over this mixture. If you like, you can add the Oreos to everything and just bake. You don't have to divide it the way I did. And that is easier. Amazing that we are going to bake this for about 45 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely amazing. We are going to let this bad boy cool because it's just piping hot. Alright. Now we are going to make some white chocolate ganache. We're going to pour some white chocolate. You're going to add some heavy cream, which I use. Mix that until it's really nice and liquidy in consistency, just like that. And you're going to pour that right over the cheesecake. And this is the crushed Oreos. Now you can use any kind of chocolate ganache of your any kind of chocolate of your choice. All right, you can design the top. I used the white chocolate and designed the top of my cheesecake. This is absolutely amazing. I cut in just to show you what it looks like, guys. Look at that. Perfection. Awesome. I do hope you guys try this recipe, and I do hope you like it as I did. It is absolutely amazing. As I mentioned, I do have other cheesecake videos on my channel. Please check those out. If you guys love this video as much as I did, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.